Lesson 17. I love nature. I love the sound of birds so early in the morn. I like the sound of puppies soon after they are born. I love the smell of flowers and the taste of honey from bees. I love the sound and wind makes when it's blowing through the trees. I love the way the sky looks on a bright and sunny day, and even when it's rainy. I love the shades of the gray. I love the smell of the ocean, the sound of waves upon the sand. I love the feel of sea shells and how they look in my hand. And when the sun is gone, I love the moon that shines so bright. I love the sounds of crickets and other creatures of the night. So when I lay me down to sleep, I thank the Lord above for all the things of nature and more. All the things I love. Adoni Marcano.